I'm taking.
What do you have on, bro? What are those?
Bro,
what, like, did you get those out of the trash can? Like, do you mow the yard in those?
Bro, what do you
They
mean?
smell like a diaper.
Bro, I'm trying to take them. Like, why are you clowning me?
Bro, how I can't sit next to you if they look like this, bro. I can't.
Bro,
smell
I get
that.
female. Like,
No.
you're telling. What do I?
Clean them or something.
Bro, you're tripping.
Later that same evening.
What does that smell? It smells good. I know it's not those dirty shoes, is it?
It's not your breath either. Look at these, bro.
Where did those come from?
Yeah, you think they're new, right?
Yeah, they look good.
Nah, it's that Flurry Sudz, boy.
Where can I get some?
BatchboysKicks.com.
For real?
Yeah, they get your shoes clean, and then you got that Blizzard spray to make them smell super nice, icy, so fresh and so clean, boy. No, hit the books, bro. Come on. What are you doing?
You're right.
Hot breath. Come on.